Stop. Close your eyes. Breathe in deeply. Hold it. Now let it go slowly. You're not broken. You're not weak. You're not failing. You're distracted. Distraction has become the default. It steals time. It kills dreams. It masks purpose. You weren't made to live divided, anxious, or always behind. You were made to live with direction, with focus, with courage, with God. Let's be honest. Your phone isn't your biggest problem. Your delay is. The voices in your head aren't always truth. And comfort isn't always kind. The life you want won't just show up. You have to move toward it, one decision at a time. Yes, the world is loud. Yes, the mind gets tired. But you are still in control. Refuse to be passive. Refuse to keep running in circles. Everything you do today is casting a vote for the man you're becoming. So don't vote for the weaker version. Vote for the one who fights, who prays, who finishes, the one who doesn't just say he's going to change, but does it. Speak this over yourself. I am not a prisoner of distraction. I am a student of discipline. I am led by purpose, not pulled by pressure. I have access to clarity through God. I have the strength to reset. I will not trade my calling for comfort. I am the architect of my future, and today, I build. This is your reminder. Nothing changes if nothing changes. You will never rise above the standard you tolerate. Your future self is watching. Your legacy is waiting. There's no growth without discomfort. There's no peace without order. There's no power without submission to structure, to truth, and to God. So shut out the noise. Sit in stillness. Listen to what's real. Repeat this video every time you start to drift, and walk like the man you're becoming. Because you're not just participating in life anymore. You're leading it.